Hello, dear sister. I'm Kaleo. I want you to imagine something with me. What if that harsh inner critic that's been following you around for years, what if it's not actually your voice at all? Here's what I discovered. Your inner critic has no persona. It's just old limiting thought patterns from childhood conditioning. But there's another voice inside you, your inner best friend, the voice of your true self. Your mani'iho is what they call it in the Hawaiian culture. And this loving voice has been there all along, just waiting to be heard. The ancient Hawaiians knew this. They raised their children to believe they could achieve anything without the words can't, don't, or shouldn't in their vocabulary. You can learn to hear this loving voice too. It's like switching from listening to a radio station that plays nothing but criticism to one that plays beautiful music. And in my virtual workshop, Your Voice Creates Your World, I'll show you practical ways to make this shift. You can find out more info and secure your spot at theheartofaloha.com. Take care. Aloha.